gosh, I love it.
Hi everyone, my name is Krista Bartik. I'm a L'Oréal Professional Ambassador, and today I'm going to be showing you all about French blending. This is my beautiful client, Michelle. We're going to be doing a total blend transformation on her. This is going to be great for clients who have grays that want to work with them in a low maintenance, natural look. My first section is going to be a baby light. I never want anything to look like she received a highlight. I want it to look like it was all very natural. My low light formula, I'm also feathering to the root for a very soft effect as it grows out. This is our finished result from our total blend transformation. Beforehand, she was in the salon every 4 to 6 weeks, getting her roots touched up with a harsh line of demarcation as it was growing out. Now, she has this beautiful, soft, dimensional color that works with her grays versus working against them. I hope you enjoyed learning all about French blending by L'Oréal Professionnel.